Hi, I'm Mahi Jain of grade 8B from Elga 18. Today I'm here to help you with one of the composition chapter, which is the story writing. Sometimes it becomes really very difficult to write a proper story. So here I have the 5 elements for you from which you can write a proper story. So let's begin. The first element is setting, which stands for S. Setting means the location of the place. The second element is talking character, which stands for T. This means all the individuals in the story. The third element is oops, a problem, which stands for O. This means that you have a problem in the story. The fourth element is resolution, which stands for R. This means that you're resolving a problem. That means solving a problem. The fifth element is yes, got it, which stands for why. This means that you found a solution to the problem. I would like to say the first two elements comes in the beginning. The third element comes in the rising action. The fourth element comes at the climax. The fifth element comes in the falling action and the end of the story. So this is how a plot diagram of story would look like. This includes all the elements: beginning, rising action, climax, falling action and the end of the story. So before you write a story, you should include all these 5 elements. So for your clear understanding, I have drawn a village, 2 friends, their villages, and this is a small story, and I will explain it to you. So in the beginning, we had to include setting and the characters. So in this, there was a small village in which 2 friends, Maya and Ritu, lived. So here is the village and Maya and Ritu. They both were playing hide and seek. Ritu had to search Maya. Ritu searched for a long time, but she could not find Maya. Here comes the rising action that Maya was not found. Ritu searched in places where Maya could hide, but she did not find her. Then she asked villagers to help her. Here comes the climax that the villagers helped her. The villagers also searched for a long time, but they could not find her. Then Ritu thought of going to the lake to find where Maya could be. Then Ritu saw some footprints. Here comes the falling action that she saw the footprints. The footprints ended at some point where she saw a huge tree and Maya sleeping beside the tree. Here comes the end that Maya was found. This was an end to the mysterious story. I hope you all understood the concept of story writing. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Hello everyone, I'm Kanishk Amit of grade 8, Mount Razi School, Mysuru. So today we're going to be discussing about the topic homonyms versus homophones. So let's get started. So, homophones and homonyms. Homophones. Homophones are the words that have the same sound but different spelling and meaning. I repeat, homophones are the words that have the same sound but different spelling and meaning. So I have some examples with me. Example 1. On the left hand side, I have stair. So stair means a series of steps that lead us to the next level. On the right, I have stare. Stare means to look at something fixedly. Moving on with the next example. Example 2. On to my left, I have meat. Meat is the flesh of an animal. And on to my right, I have meet, which means to come together at an agreed time and place. Homonyms. Homonyms are the words that have the same sound and spelling but with different meaning. I repeat, homonyms are the words that have the same sound and spelling but with different meaning. Examples here too. Example 1. On the left, I have ring. Ring is an indication of an incoming call. And on the right, I have ring. Ring is a piece of jewelry worn on the finger. Moving on with example 2. On the left, I have watch. Watch means to observe attentively over a period of time. And on the right, I have watch, which is a device worn on the wrist to note time. Friends, let's play a small game and revise everything that we have learned in this video. So, I will be showing you a pair of words and you will be identifying if that pair is a homonym or homophones. You will be having 5 seconds for each pair. So, let's get started. So, here is your first pair and your time starts now. Time's up. The right answer is homophone. Moving on to the next one. And your time starts now. Yes, you've guessed it right. It's a homonym. Moving on to the next clip. And your time starts now. Yes, it is a homophone. Last one to go. Your time starts now. Bang on, it's a homonym. Thank you for your time. So I hope this activity helped you in understanding what homophones and homonyms are. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.
Good morning everyone. I'm Syed Afnan Ahmed of 8th standard from Mount Literacy School. Today we are going to learn how to add or subtract two rational numbers without using LCM. So let's see how. In the first rational number, the denominator is 7. So we should draw 7 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in the next rational number, the denominator is 5. So we should draw 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's it. In the next step, in the first rational number, the numerator is 3 with a positive sign. So we should put positive sign in 3 columns. And I've finished putting positive signs in 3 columns. And in the second rational number, the numerator is -4. And we should put my negative sign in 4 rows. Minus, minus, minus. And I've finished putting negative signs in 4 rows. In the next step, plus and minus has no value. So we are going to cancel these, everything. This does not have any value. So this becomes 0. And we have leftover positive signs, which are 3. And we can cancel this with 3 negative signs. And these are also cancelled. The leftover minus signs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is minus 13 by 7 5s are 35. And the answer is minus 13 by 35. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Vishal Sampath from grade 6. Today, I'm going to show you all about my project on the solar system. As we all know, the solar system not only consists of planets, it also consists of comets, satellites, asteroids and dust as well. I'm not able to show all these in my project. I'm only able to show the planets along with the sun. And I have made this with the different sizes of the balls. So first, I would like to show the sun. The sun is the only star in our solar system and it's 100 times bigger than the Earth. The first comes the Mercury. The Mercury is the smallest and the innermost planet in our solar system. The next comes the Venus. The Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. The next comes the Earth. The Earth is the only planet where life exists and it consists of water and land. The next comes the Mars. The Mars is the second smallest planet in our solar system. The next comes the Jupiter. The Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and it is also considered as a giant planet because of its heavy mass. The next comes the Saturn. The Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system and it has a ring. Next comes the Uranus. The Uranus also has the ring but its axis is tilted horizontally. The next comes the Neptune. The Neptune is the 8th and the farthest planet from the Sun. Now, in these 8 planets, the 8 planets are divided into 2 categories based on the asteroid belt which is located over here. Now, they are separated, they are inner planets and outer planets. The inner planets have Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The inner planets are rocky and the surfaces are solid. The outer planets, they are made of ice and chemical gases. With this, I conclude this presentation. Hope this was informative. Thank you all the teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you all.
Hi everyone, I am Nischal from Grade 7 Mount Chitraji School, Mysuru. Today I am here to talk about refraction. What is refraction? Refraction is the change in direction of a wave passing from one medium to another caused by its change in speed. Now I am going to show an experiment regarding that. I have a glass of water. I have paper. I have drawn arrow marks behind it. Now I'm going to place this paper behind the cup, and you can see the direction is changed. Now I'm going to explain why it happens. Refraction occurs when light travels from one medium to another. When the paper travels into the glass cup into the water, and then it bends. And again it bends when it travels out of the glass cup into the air. I hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching.